Good YouTube. Back with another video. So today I played basketball. We had our first. I said first. We had our third game. We went against the green team. Blue team. We went against the blue team. My team is the black team. I got 8 points and so and so. Yeah. We did lose, but it's lost. My locker is a little dirty, but what I'm going to be doing today is a YouTube video on what I have in my locker. Now, me and my friend share a locker. His name is, can't say that. I can't say his name because, like, he might not want it out there. But, yeah, that's it. So, what I got, we hang up, zoom in a little. Or not zoom in, zoom out, zoom it out. So, we got our shoes. I got mine are Kyrie 2 lows. Hang those up. His are the, I do not know, the Nike,
the orange
bright shoes.
Nike Future Light. It says it right there.
Oh.
Big brain.
Yes, sir. What else we got? We hang up our clothes. We hang up our. Wait, say. Okay, so we hang up our clothes. Right here I have my shorts. We do sometimes get shorts from the school, but I decided to use my own. And then also we get jerseys. I'm number 52. Y'all see me rep the 52. Oh, Wildcats on the back. Hang this up. So, and then we use wait, I got stuck. We use these for football too. This is why I have such a big locker. And so down here we have the shoes for PE. Here's one of my champions, the Adidas, and then also the other Adidas. These are NMDs though. And then we got our shirts, and then our shorts. We stack them up, and then I got I forgot to hang this up. Ooh, this is my compression. What did I say? Shorts? Cause these aren't really that short. These are more like, so like compression leggings.
They're leggings, pretty much.
And I use these on every occasion. Sometimes I use a headband, but I didn't bring that. Put that right there. And then this is he's also my teammate. This is his side. Here's his shorts. These are the shorts we got gifted from the school. I decided, as I said, I decided not to get those. And then we got these ones. Freak. We got these ones too. These are the old ones. We got these ones. I know you're watching the video. You know who I'm talking to. Sorry if I messed up anything. We got these ones, more of an old school type. And then he reps number 20. I like that number. You know who I'm talking to. He did all right tonight.
I stuffed him, fool.
He did good stuff. Got Mr. Xavier back here on the camera. Ooh. Okay, but let's get back to this. Oh my toes. Crap. Okay, but that's really all that's in our locker. But so that is my 7th grade locker. Xavier, you want to show yours?
Nah,
He does it. Okay. So that's gonna be it for this video. Bye. There's Mr. Pablo, and there's Xavier. There's me. See you. Bye.